Morning, babe.
Good morning. So it's currently 4:20. We're bright up and cheery again. Today we're ticking off something really big off my bucket list. Fingers crossed. So we're currently at a 7-Eleven waiting for the bus in question. Here there's no timetable or like, I'm taking a bus of 7. There's no such thing. You just turn up, hail the bus and jump on. You don't know what ticket it is. You don't know how much it is, you just go for it. So that's what we're doing. The smell of bread in the Philippines is just undeniable. There's so many bakeries. Like, if you could smell this through the camera, you'd be like, I'm gonna bake myself some bread. The bus is here.
Okay, we thought we'll be the only ones on the bus. Only it's packed and we have to stand for like an hour. So that was a 40-minute drive from Oslo to Lilian Port. The buses here are so cheap, you can just literally hop on, hop off, and that 40-minute ride cost us literally 64 pesos. And we just got our tickets, it was like literally £1 each to get over to that island over there. So we've made it to Dumaguete and we've come to Harold's dive shop. We just literally came here, we found it, it's been awesome. We just signed up. How much was it?
1,200 per person for snorkeling trip.
Awesome.
Guaranteed
Turtles.
That is the one thing, like in every vlog, we're like, the mighty turtles, the mighty turtles.
Exactly.
Today could be the day.
We've come all this way just for the turtle. Epic.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go. So you go to Apo Island for only one thing, and that is to find turtles. And you know I'm turtle obsessed. I've never seen one like in the water or swam with them, so that's my goal for today. We've arrived at our first clean spot. All the divers are getting set up with their gear, ready to go diving. Obviously we are snorkel ready, and I can't wait. I can't believe that I'm gonna literally meet a turtle today. did it. It's ticked off the list.
Like, you obviously just saw it, but we jumped in and we Theodora straight away found the first turtle.
Yeah, like very down below. And I was like, oh my god, there's a turtle. He was just chilling there, wasn't he? Like taking a little nap.
Yeah.
And I thought that was big, but then we went further in, closer to shore. Oh my god, this one was
huge.
Massive.
You couldn't pick him up, could you?
Hell no, he's like bigger than those safety, like, you know, what do you call these? Like these tight, anyway, he's huge. But I asked about this turtle. He is 50 years old and he had a cute little bum, but it was a boy.
But the pattern on the shell was amazing.
I'm now turtle obsessed. I want like turtle print, I want turtle necklaces, I want little turtle t-shirts.
Easy. We've seen 4 turtles already, so I reckon we should go for 10. We've got 2 more snorkeling sites, so we're gonna have some food now. I think it's already lunchtime. Let's stop talking because my arm's about to fall off.
Yeah.
No matter where we go, she always does some shopping. Even when you're on a boat, by Tropical Island.
I bought the t-shirt. I had to get a turtle t-shirt, obviously, after spotting so many turtles. I got the real tourist one. Apo Island. With the turtles.
Beautiful.
Also, she didn't want a bargain, which I don't like, but she came on a boat and then came with her bags to sell t-shirts. You gotta support that entrepreneurship, babe. Entrepreneurial. Of course, Graham wanted to match me and got a matching one. Like, that is a hustle. I freaking love it. She just, bye.
Thank you.
And that's how you make money real quick.
Yeah.
And look at all the boats she's gonna go to. That is inspirational, kids. That's who you want to be. Get that hustle. I feel good now, babe. I feel good that we bought that and I overpaid for the t-shirts.
And what's her name?
I don't know, Moana?
Moana.
Okay, yeah, that's what we call her, Moana.
Sing the song, babe.
Moana, make way, make way.
How's the drink, babe?
Good, I'm so salty and messy. But what are the count of the turtles now?
About 10.
10 turtles. I can't believe it. I'm turtle obsessed. We had lunch, which was vegetarian. I couldn't believe our luck. We got vegetarian noodles with an egg. But Graham got given like a really small portion. And he was like, do you want to go for dinner tonight? He's already hooking himself up for dinner.
third little diving snorkeling trip. We're just about to leave Apo Island. We didn't see any more turtles at the end. We just see loads of coral, didn't we?
Yeah, it was amazing, like bright green. Probably the best coral I've seen in my life.
It's proper good snorkeling. So we're heading back to the mainland, and babe, I want to ask you something.
What?
Can I take you for dinner?
Oh, babe. Pick me up at 8?
I'll pick you up at 8.
Every time we watch a film in a rom-com, they go, pick you up at 8? 8? Are you joking?
Like we've had dessert and like going home by 8 o'clock.
We're deep in Netflix by 8 o'clock. I ain't going nowhere at 8.
I'm saying like 5 o'clock.
Not 8. To top it all off, we're now seeing dolphins. Oh, they're gone.
Oh, over there.
Oh yeah, they're going.
Oh, they're gone.
Can you get
Yeah,
them?
there they
Are
are.
you really jumping?
There they are.
Are you capturing this?
Yeah, I'm capturing it.
Look at them.
I pissed on everyone there was dolphins. They didn't believe me. They hit her back.
Hey.
Yeah.
Oh, look, they're swimming all in front. Look at them going. They love it. Woo. Oh,
Okay, we've made it back to the ferry port. Ferry's just come in, so perfect timing. Today has been epic. We've seen like at least 10
I
turtles.
still can't get over it.
And then the dolphins at the end.
Oh my god. I mean, and then matching t-shirts.
Matching t-shirts. How geeky is that? Turn around, babe. That's literally how many turtles we saw. Absolutely epic. So if you're watching this video and you're thinking of going to Apo Island, it's a no-brainer. 100% worth it. You're gonna see turtles no matter what, right?
Yeah, 100%. If you want to know any of the links or the music, they're all linked below.
Yep.
Babe, thank you for watching.
Make sure you subscribe.
And we're gonna head to Cebu, and then we're gonna head all together. Day after tomorrow, we're gonna head all together to a different island in the Philippines. So stay tuned, and we'll hope to see you again in the next video.
Oh yeah.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.